how do you figure out who you should be serving, how you can get their attention? How do you figure that out?
I think finding a niche, you guys, is really important. I almost went bankrupt once in the online world because I was trying to serve everybody. I was trying to have all types of healthy beauty products for all types of people. And I quickly realized I was a kiss of death. And the reason I turned it around is I found a niche of just female specific customers only. They were kind of, the trendsetters, the yuppie ones that shop at Whole Foods and Nordstrom's and worked out a Lifetime Fitness. And that became my niche. So I think it's really important that when you're trying to define your audience, you don't try to be all things to all people, that you say, okay, who do I want to target? Do I want to target, recently divorced moms or, older, more mature gals that are married and aren't working, or just dudes with tattoos or whatever. I think you got to define your audience so you know who to talk to. If you don't, it can be very difficult because you can't be all things to all people. Amazon didn't start off being all things to all people. They started selling just books. They had a niche, right? Once they built a brand, it became bigger. Now they're all things to all people. Now you can buy anything in Amazon. Walmart was the same way, you guys. In 1958, they were a 5 and dime store. They sold like 7 things. Now they sell everything. So yes, it'd be wonderful to go out there and market every one of these amazing injectables and technologies and talk to everybody in your town about it. But the reality is that's a longer road. I mean, the most successful attorneys out there, they don't do divorce law and personal injury law and entertainment law and blah, blah, blah. They pick just personal injury or just divorce. They become the expert at that. But once they've got you as a client, then they let you know, oh, I also do this, this, and this. So you really have to ask yourself, okay, who do I want to target? And try to define that and hone in on that. And then what kind of services do I want to, provide for them? And you'll get to the end game a lot quicker doing it that way than you will any other way.
I just recently went through with one of our newer clients. She knows that she wants to cater to women. And so it took, it may take a while for you to get there. I mean, you'll find that you're better at certain areas of the body than other areas of the body.
Sure.
So, really pay attention to what you're good at too. The hack for honing in on what you want to be is a good mentor session. Number one, in my biased opinion, having a mentor. If you don't want a mentor, then one of the best things to do is to say it out loud to yourself and see how you feel after you say it. And then say it to someone who you think is super smart and see what they mean and see what they say. And if it fits who you are. And it's got to be something that you're super passionate about. You just need to take it step by step and pay close attention to what's going to make you happy in life. And then go from there and then check reality out there.